Good day, here's the latest news for today. The whole Misamis Oriental General Comprehensive High School campus was placed under disinfection after one of its teaching staff tested positive for COVID-19. GNL Bambo has the report.
Yes, Jing, last Monday, October 12, 2020, the said academic institution was immediately disinfected to prevent the deadly virus from spreading, especially that teachers have been reporting for duty to print, distribute, and retrieve modules from students.
Dr. Pedro L. Estaño, principal of MOGS, stated in an interview that all members of the MOGS working force were requested to not report on duty for the next 72 hours and shall resume work on Thursday, October 15. This is to ensure that all corners of the large school campus located in Don A. Vela Street is thoroughly disinfected and sanitized. Dr. Estaño also added that there should be no worry as to the effects of the situation in ongoing classes, as modules are retrieved by teachers from students every 2 weeks, and they already have distributed the modules prior to the disinfection. Contact tracing is still ongoing, and at present, only one teacher has tested positive from COVID-19.
The opening of classes has undeniably placed teachers in a dangerous situation where they are heavily exposed to the deadly virus. However, this will not stop them in ensuring that they deliver quality education to students even in the presence of a pandemic. With this, let us not forget to respect, understand, and salute our teachers, not only this Teachers Month, but in every day they spend in fulfilling their duties. This is GNL Bambo, aimed towards clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Jing?
Thanks, Gian. In another development, alarmed with the continued rise of the number of positive cases in the province, Dr. Jerry Kalingasan has once again pleaded everyone to practice the wearing of protective face masks and shield, especially in the public. What is the importance of this, Jane Habinyar?
Yes, Jing, the Provincial Task Force Chief believes that the practice of wearing a face mask and face shields will greatly help in diminishing the incidence of COVID-19 positive cases.
Doing such practice avoids the spread of other people's saliva and vice versa, which is one of the primary carriers of the virus.
And you're not even protecting yourself with face mask. You are protecting others.
Dr. Kalingasan pointed out that through this, you will not only protect yourself but also the people you come in contact with. Also, if possible, avoid gatherings with friends in public places. Furthermore, Dr. Kalingasan reminds all of us that once symptoms of the virus show up, home or self-quarantine should be done. Self-disinfection and care is also needed so that people around us are spared from being infected. He also reminded the capital employees to not report on duty once they have sign of the disease and to immediately seek help from the nearest barangay health emergency response team.
These reminders have become part of Dr. Jerry Kalingasan's routine every Monday during virtual flag raising ceremonies, as he believes that following the minimum health standards and protocols is key to beat COVID-19. This is Jane Habinyar, aimed towards a clean and honest governance, reporting for the province of Misamis Oriental. Jing?
And that is the latest news for today. For more updates, please visit the Misamis Oriental Provincial Information Facebook page. Once again, this is Jane Kirasit. Good day.